6, 7, 8. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele. If you guys haven't yet, go check out the guitar version of this. But let's get started. Alright, so there are 2 chords in this song. I'll teach you the basic chords and then I'll teach you the 7 chords for it. So first chord is going to be a F. And the second chord is a D flat. So F and D flat. Now the 7 chords is going to be an F major 7. Okay. And then a D flat major 7. So it's like the D flat, but you're going to lift up. You're only going to be playing these 3 strings here, leaving this open, which might be easier. Okay. So D flat major 7. Now you guys can do interchangeable, like using the F and D flat major 7, or F major 7 and D flat, whichever one you want to do. Alright, so I'm going to show you my way of doing the strum pattern. It's basically down strums and the groove goes. So that is the strum pattern for that. Now in the song, what they're actually doing is strumming on the 2 and the 4. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is the strum pattern. You guys can listen to the song. But thanks again for watching. Check out my other videos, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. 6, 7.